Hello. Hopefully my audio is coming in clear. Well, I've had a lot of interesting things happen. I've had a lot of hardware failure, but thanks to wonderful friends and also viewers, I got a care package from a good friend called DsngJoe. And in here should be some hardware that might help me make these streams better and even be able to do more tutorials. So let's get to it. Let's get to the unboxing. If you like this content and if you like any of my other content, um, please go into the description below. There's donator links there where you can help me out by tossing a couple coins at my head. Or if you want to see these streams better, there's an Amazon wishlist where you can buy some hardware to help make these streams and my tutorials better and just things easier in general. Life better in general. Kind of like this. There's stuff in. This is a direct package, so there's stuff in here that was on my wish list, and Joe was able to send it to me direct. It's some hardware that he no longer needed. And what bits are in here that I can't use, I'll be giving to a friend of mine, Mr. Alert, who joins me in my Twitch streams that I post up on YouTube here. And he'll be able to use whatever I can't use. And yeah, it's going to be fun. Wow. Whew. There's a monitor here, so going like this, I'm like, no! I kind of need that monitor not to die. Anywho. Unboxing. Please be no personally identifying information. And I need to be careful because what I have everything on is a bit wobbly. Ooh, hello. Wiggly camera. Sorry about that. What is... Okay, so some rear I/O panels. Ooh, foamy. Hats. I'm so used to them just being straight ass metal. I'm not used to... There's a foam here. By the way, also tell me in the comments what you think of this new camera angle. Oh, what? What is... Oh yes, this is not for me. I don't think so. I think this is for Mr. Alert. Well, one of these is. What the heck is... So, there's a box here. Let me put that aside. Another box. Because boxes can be deceiving. And I'll open these boxes and check what's in them. Yeah, my family has a history of reusing boxes. And toss that. He shoots, he misses! Let's check to see what's in this amazing looking little box. Huh. I very highly doubt it's a P550 though. Oh, but there is a motherboard. And the good thing is, I've got bags for motherboards, so I'll be able to put this in with a little bit more secure. Whoa. Wow. Okay. And he did something that he didn't do something that I had asked him to. So I am going to do that now. I have recently, well, not recently, but a while ago procured a couple of boards, and the pins on the socket were bent to hell and back. And that's because they were unprotected like they are here. So I am going to fix this for now because that makes me hella nervous. That should be better than nothing. There we go. Ah, motherboard and some really low-profile DDR3 RAM. Oh, wow. That's impressively small, low profile. I mean, I just so happen to have some DDR3 RAM right here next to me. Yes, this is DDR3 UDIM. Okay, come on. Holy crap, that's half height. I'd be damned. Huh, neat. Well, that will be incredibly useful. And, as I said previously, I'm going to take these sticks out and put them aside for now, but I want to bag this. So, one of the good friends has recently given me some really big anti-static bags. So let's see if these will fit. Oh yeah, boy. It gonna fit. It gonna fit. Ah, no. Let go of my my shirt, my sweater. My poor sweater. Oh no. There we go. Nice and protected. So I'll put this aside and cry over now the broken thread on my sweater. Let's take a look at this board too. Oh wow. That is a 4770 and that is some A-data RAM there. So yeah, i7 4770 and oh, there's even more low profile RAM here. Huh. I'm gonna yoink that out at least for now. That's a full kit too. Nice. Okay, come on. Do I have to take the XP RAM out? Yep. And oddly enough, I have bags that these will fit in. But I'll leave this as is. I'll leave the processor in. Let's see, what's underneath here? Oh, hello, he left me some stickers. That's nice. Ooh, and even a case badge. Nice, thank you, Joe. I really do appreciate it. And why don't I just go take that other motherboard and just plop it back into this? kind of like, well, will it fit? Yeah, it will fit. I'll make it fit. Doesn't want to fit, it will fit. Do do do. Yippee. There we go. So I'll put that RAM aside. That aside. Done going through this box. I'll set that aside. Oh boy. And let's go take a look at that other B box. This one here. Huh. Okay, come on. Let's see what's in this box. Oh yes, so this is the motherboard for a good friend of mine, Mr. Alert. He's still running an antiquated Haswell machine. So am I. But I also have Broadwell, so I have slightly newer kit than he does. That's gonna need a heatsink though. Where is it? No, it's not there. Okay, I do know I've got a heatsink for that somewhere. Or at least for that socket type. So, yeah, this will be neat. This will be a huge, huge improvement for him. Somewhat. He's going to also be unhappy. There's no PCI slots. Oh dear. Oh well. So that's for Mr. Alert. That will be really kind of amazing. I'll ask him if he wants me to test it for him, since I do have some parts that I can use for testing. Probably would be best leave the testing to him. Them. They. And the last box is this one. Man, that's one hell of a power supply. Super flower. Ah, there's two heat sinks for those previous boards. Ooh. Oh, low profile copper core. Although it would have been nice if he had gone about cleaning the thermal paste off of it. That's ew, messy. Oh well, I can't complain too much. I can complain about the mess on my hands, but I mean, free copper core heat sinks. Oh, oh yeah. And low profile ones, so that's pretty nice. I've got better. I think some of my all aluminum ones might be better because they have higher thermal mass. There we go, that got cleaned up real quick. I'll do a better job a little later. Let's get on to cleaning this one real quick. Good enough. Good stock Intel heatsinks. And the Tour de Resistance is I've had a lot of hard drive failures, so he sent me a bunch of 120 gig drives. Nice Intel ones. So these are going to be used in a tutorial video I have coming up, in a tutorial document on how to use ZFS on OpenSUSE. Look forward to that. Like, share, subscribe. It's going to be awesome and better than any of the documentation on it that exists. And nice. Holy chonkers. Some 60 gig drives that will probably become OS drives. Ooh, nice. And a 3.5 inch to 2.5 inch adapter. A good one, too. I wonder if that's actually got proper mount holes, unlike the Corsair that I procured. So let's check. No. Absolutely not. Well, kinda. It would work in some systems, but it's pushed too far back here. So, like, for example, on some of the Dell caddies, this wouldn't actually not work very well, and my HP workstation, this would not work at all. But at least the mount holes are in the correct locations. Let's see. No. Yes. Okay, cool. That will work out well. By the way, this is a drive that I did procure and for that price, and it turned out to be dead. And the seller refused to refund me. And there was no dispute since it was a physical purchase. So yeah. Which is why this was shipped to me. I don't think this is a 4 terabyte drive then. Oh, but it is a 1 terabyte purple though. Hot diggity. Purple drive. Those are actually very good and reliable. Not quite reds, but they're designed for a whole hell of a lot of rapid reads and writes. That is an interesting holder for it. Cool. I'll toss that with some drives for testing. Plop this out. And I think that is it. That was everything that was shipped. So, 3 motherboards, whole slew of delicious RAM, some a full kit of low profile and a high-end kit of A data, some drives, and some heat sinks. I'll be interested. So this one of the machines here, I want to see if this would actually work in one of them. If they do, that will be freaking amazing. But that's for testing later. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe, as I said earlier. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.